Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is Marilyn, your friend of Filipina Carpentera here in America. At ngayon guys, nandito ako sa bahay. Alright, at ngayon guys, gagawa ako ng solusyon kung paano ko didiligan ng tubig yung rose tree ko na tinanim ko kahapon. Tapos, it is like 35 to 40 minutes away from my residence. So, hindi ako pwedeng pabalik-balik doon everyday para lang I could just water the plant. Malayo yung bahay namin doon. It's not really that I could go there to that place daily. So, yun. Gagawan ko ng, hirap magtagalog. Gagawan ko ng paraan kung paano siya madidiligan kahit na wala ako doon. Yay! Yes, I got it. So anyway, here are the materials that I'm going to use. First is, of course, I have to have a container kasi ito po yung gagamitin ko na parang container ng dextrose ko. Tadam! So, ito na. Itatabi na natin itong milk kasi mga milk dito guys sa Amerika, mga arty talaga hindi mo malagay sa sa refrigerator ng ilang minutes lang mapapanis na. Ano ba yan? So, ilagay ko muna ito sa refrigerator. So, standby lang kayo, John. Alright, so ito na siya. Malinis na siya. And here's the cap. Alright, tapos the next item that we're going to use is of course a scissors. Ito na yung pusa ko. Oh. Okay, it's just scissors, man. You want me to cut your whiskers? Huh? You want me to cut your whiskers? Hindi pwede guys kasi pag may makakita dito na taga dito na pulis nako, mapunta ako sa prisuhan for animal cruelty. Kahit lang putol-putulin mo yung yung whiskers nila, hindi pwede. I have a smaller scissors just in case the bigger one doesn't work. And backup na material na gagamitin natin is itong kutsilyo. And then, second to the last but not the least, itong needle. Yan yung mga gagamitin natin. In a little bit, I'm going to go to the hardware store to buy a plant stand or plant hanging, bird feeder hanger. Okay, so ito na. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut up this one. Yan na. Tapos, bubutasan ko ito like poke 2 holes here. Takot ako baka masamad ba ako? Oh, yep. I think it's kind of a little bit big. Ito. So, i-ano natin. How do I do this? Yan. We will poke a hole there. Tapos, hindi masyadong kalakihan. Yan. Yan na. Hallelujah. Tingnan natin if this would work. Tapos, i-undam natin itong water container. So, I'm going to put back the lid and close it tightly. Yan. And after that, uh, i-testing natin itong water and see if we will have a drip from the lid. Okay, how about this way? Yeah, I think this is better. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ah, that's not the kind of drip that I like. Gusto ko yung paisa-isa lang. Okay, second try. Naku, wala na ako. Wala talaga akong ibang lid. Ito na. Tading! So, ganyan yung tulo na gusto ko. Yun lang yan. I went to my bedroom and I found this. Hindi pa nagamit straw. So, yung gamitin ko para, panditan. So, I'm going to, insert this here. Kailangan pala natin nakaharap sa camera. Okay, get in. Bakit ayaw pumasok? Get in. There you go. Yan. And then, we're going to put it in. Tapos, ipalabas natin sa kabilang niya. Okay, labas. Labas. Yan, lumabas na siya. Saan ba siya lumabas? Oh, here. There. Yan. So, yan na yung tie natin.
Okay. Andito tayo ngayon to put my experiment into practice. So, ito na po yung resulta ng eksperimento ko. Dahil hindi kami palaging nandito sa aming lupain na tig 5-5 lang, kailangan kong gawa ng irrigation itong beautiful flower sa likod ko. So, yan na. Ito na po yung ginawa ko. And tingnan natin kung gagana ito. And of course, I have to have this pole para para ibugsok ko doon sa malapit sa flower, sa roses so that I can hang my water irrigation that way. So tingnan natin. So yan na siya, guys, oh. Tapos, lalagyan na natin ng tubig dito. And eventually, hopefully, yung water ay magdi-drip dyan. Going to, where the rose was planted. So, tingnan natin. So, ayan. Set up na siya. So, we will see kung gagana ba itong irrigation system ko. So, yan, guys. So, gradual yung niya, yung drip niya, so that this entire thingy would last probably a week para hindi na kami palaging pumupunta dito para lang i-water ang precious rose ko. Isn't that amazing? Ha 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 ha. Look at my ingenuity. Naku, parang hindi ko lang kinopya sa YouTube. But yan, guys. Yan yung secret para palaging ma-irrigate yung ma-hydrated yung plant mo. So, yung niya, yung droplets niya, dyan pumupunta, oh. Yan. And eventually, punta doon sa roots ng rose tree na tinanim ko some days ago. So, yan po. Yan po ang nagagawa ko today. But I don't know, do I have to loosen the cap a little bit para constant yung faster yung dripping niya, or okay lang ito? Let's see. I don't know. So, in-increasean ko yung frequency ng drip niya. Kaya lang, pag ganyan ganyan kapaspas yung dripping niya, I don't think this would last 1 week. Kasi hindi ako palagi nakakapunta dito. So, siguro hinaan ko yan. So, I think okay na itong drip na ito. Yan.
Yan, so yung dripping niya diretso doon. So yan lang po yung eksperimento ko for today. Thank you for watching. God bless.
The neighbor Jeff, did you see him?
No.
Oh, he walked by a few minutes ago.
Who was Jeff again, the owner of that dog?
Yeah, Jeff has got the. Is it Toby? I can't remember the
Yeah, Toby.
name. Is it Toby?
Yes.
Yeah, he came by.
Mm.